Registering a customer. Open the app and go to Home page. Click on the Create Job Card option. The screen will be redirected to a page with the customer registration form. The form has many details which can be filled in. To start with, besides the vehicle number field on the top of the form, there is an option to scan a QR code. QR codes for every registered vehicle can be generated and printed from your settings section. Once printed, you may stick the QR code on the windshield of a vehicle. This QR code not only acts as a provision to identify vehicles, but also helps in your branding and creating customer recall. Also, each time a vehicle comes back for a service, scan the QR scanner available here to complete the customer registration on one click. The fields with a red mark towards the right-hand side of the titles are mandatory in nature. Though the other fields are non-mandatory, it is strongly suggested to capture as much details of a vehicle or customer as possible. The more the data, the better the insights the system will be able to create for you. Going forward, please fill up the details like the vehicle name, vehicle category, mobile phone number of the customer, their name, the number plate color, kilometer reading, etc. Please do not forget cross-checking the country code each time you register a phone number. While other fields are self-explanatory, the customer source field is to be able to pre-capture and list a business customer beforehand. This is particularly useful if you are into a business of providing maintenance services to corporates like Ola, Uber, and all other agencies which ties up with you for their fleet maintenance activities. Please note that once a customer source is selected, the invoice gets generated in the name of their company along with their tax details. Here it is mandatory to allocate a primary technician, generally a team lead who is being assigned for the vehicle repair. Along with this, one may also capture the service advisor or supervisor's name. Other details like the customer's email ID, address, the chassis and engine number of the vehicle, registration date, and year of manufacturing are optional. Additional information is necessary in cases where it is required to not only capture the details of the person who has brought the vehicle to the service center, a driver or a representative, but also the name of the actual owner of the vehicle. Once all necessary fields have been filled in, please click on Submit to complete the registration. Now from here the process of creation of a job card begins. You may choose to skip and create a job card later by opening the service queue from the home page, or you can proceed from here if you wish to create a job card directly. A detailed understanding of creation of a job card has been provided in another video.